How's it going? Good? Okay. Any update on the meeting today?
Just revising for my exam. Need to practice these questions. Can I have some coffee, please?
Hey, you okay?
Need to track my progress.
Then do it the right way on the ACCA Study Hub. Let me show you.
An exclusive digital platform providing free access to study material for all students at any time, anywhere. Use study content, practice revision questions and quizzes. Use flashcards, track your progress and boost your exam preparation with the ACCA Study Hub. Just go to your My ACCA account and find your ultimate study resource.